Hello, and welcome to this video on right shares and the value of rights. I'm Ishod Amin K, and I'm excited to guide you through this important topic. With over 3 years of experience in teaching and this industry, I'm here to simplify the complexities of right shares and help you understand their significance in your career journey.
Right shares or right issues. According to Section 62(1) of the Companies Act, 2013, when the company wants to increase the subscribed capital by issue of further shares, such shares must be issued first of all to existing shareholders in proportion of their existing shareholding. These shares are called right shares. Meaning of right shares or right issues. In case a company wants to make a further issue of shares, the issue must first be offered to the existing equity shareholders. Thus, an issue of shares in which existing shareholders have a preemptive right to subscribe for the new shares is called right issue.
Usually, a company often right issue at a price which is lower than of the market price of the shares. Thus, this legal right is advantageous to the existing shareholders, especially when the market price of shares is higher than issue price. Money value of such advantage is called the value of right. It is also called value of preemptive right. We are going to discuss the value rights. And what are the methods available to calculate value of rights? Mainly there are 2 methods to find out value rights. In the first method, we are calculating value of rights by passing through the 3 steps. In the second method, we are applying one equation instead of using 3 steps.
In order to find out value of rights, we need the following points. Know of old shares. New shares, rights shares. Market price. Issue price. Total price of all the shares. Average price or theoretical price. So we are ready to solve the problems. Before that, you want to hear my original voice. And hope you all are interested to hear stories and playing games. So get ready for that.
Hi all, here is my voice. So I hope you understand what is value of right and you can find out value of rights. So actually there are 2 methods, method number 1 and method number 2. In the first method, we can find out value of right by following 3 steps. And second method, we are only using one equation instead of following 3 steps. So let me explain one by one. In the first method, there are 3 steps. The first step, we want to calculate total price of all the shares. For that, we need old number of shares and new shares, number of new shares, and the issue price and the market price. In the next step, we want to calculate average price or theoretical market price. Average price is also called theoretical market price. And finally, in the last step, the value of rights. So here the equation is market price of the share minus average price of the share. So in this way we can find out value of right. In the second method, we are only using one equation instead of applying 3 steps. So here we are using the number of old shares and total number of shares. That means total number of shares means new shares plus old shares, and also market price and issue price. But in the second method, we don't want to find out average price or theoretical market price. So in question, we can see that some question may include you want also calculate average price or theoretical market price. In that time, you can apply method number 1, or otherwise the question is just asking about the value of right, then you can use any one of the method number 1 or method number 2. So I hope that you understood that what is value of right. So anyway, get ready to find the value of right. So I'm eager to wait and see you all your faces. So I think in my mind there are some activities, by applying, by playing some activities, we can learn what is value freight and how we can apply all these equations. And also, I hope you all are interested to hear stories. So in my bag, you know, I kept it with some stories, games, some kind of excitement for you. So all guys, get ready. So finally, thank you for hearing and thank you for your patience. So all the best.